and welcome back to my channel. ¿Cómo están todos? ¿Cómo se sienten? Ojalá se sienten bien. I got you. I did it in Spanish. I hope you all are feeling well. I hope you are all doing well. And let's get started on this video. So today's Sandy A7 presents Medusa's makeup subscription box. Yes, this is a new subscription that I'm bringing to my channel, or to our channel. I got this box on Amazon. It is $16.95, and at least that's the first box. To be honest, I didn't see what next. I think it's the same thing. I think next month is going to be the same thing. Anyway, it is guaranteed to have a $40 worth of products. I believe it's all Medusa makeup products, and it is vegan. It is certified PETA, and what else? It's actually kind of cool. I was watching a fellow YouTuber named Sherry Hellcat. I will link her channel down below. She has a lot of Medusa makeup, and I'm like, I've yet to buy any of that makeup. So like I said, again, it's on Amazon. I will link I don't get anything if I link Amazon's link to the subscription box. It's $16.95. I mean, that's pretty good. So let's get started. It's a cute box. It says vegan. It says Medusa's makeup, and I know exactly where this address is located. In Chicago, it's up north. It says cruelty free. I'm trying to do it so you don't see my address. It says cruelty free. This is vegan, Medusa's makeup, so that's nice. It's, like I said, $16.95, and you do get free shipping in the United States. I'm not sure about Canada or outside of the United States. Okay, so it says the heat is on. July 2019, cruelty free and vegan. The value is $44. It's inside this box. And next month, August, the epic birthday box. Lots of extras. And I will show you that little card there. I probably sound like I'm passing gas because I'm rubbing up at my chair. And then this is the back. So this is the products that are in here. So everything is made by Medusa's makeup. So you're not going to find like Huda Beauty or any of that stuff. This is makeup that they have. So it says VIP birthday box coming this August. 4 full-size products exclusive to subscribers, including lots of extra goodies. So save the date. There we go. That little thing is there. Again, nicely packaged. Nothing broken thus far. Nope, I don't see anything broken. Ooh. And the first thing I am pulling out, yeah, made in Chicago. Girl, if you're watching this video, I gotta go over there and buy my goodies straight from you. Yeah, I didn't know they were located in Chicago. How cool is that? Okay, enough. I have to push my city because I love my city. I know what y'all heard, but Chicago's a wonderful city. It's beautiful. We have the lake. We have all 4 seasons in one day. And we have 2 baseball teams. We have a hockey team, a football, an awesome football team, by the way. Go Bears. So the first item in here I'm pulling out is, I believe this is an eyeshadow. And it's cruelty-free and vegan. And Hot Love is the color. And I should have showed you this. So that's the box. And then this is nice. I love this hot pink color. That's the hot pink. The box, not the color of the eyeshadow. The color of the eyeshadow is, I'm gonna pop one of my nails off. Is it like a pink? It's probably a pink. It looks like a duochrome, right? We are gonna swatch this bad boy right now. So let me know in the comment section, have you ever heard of Medusa makeup? Do you have any of Medusa's makeup? I think it's kind of cool. So let's swatch. It looks pink. It is a duochrome, right? That's the color. That's actually kind of cute. I wonder if well, of course, swatching is not the same as if putting it on with a brush. Let's be realistic. It took me a minute to do my eye look today. This is the BH Cosmetics. So that's different. Okay, so then we get Moonlight highlighter. It's high, oh, a little typo there, but it's okay. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to open this. Yes, I can with these. So this is a loose pig. Oh, how much was the eyeshadow? The Glam Rock eyeshadow in Hot Love is $9, and the Moonlight highlighter is $12. So, oh, I didn't want to open it, but go, I got it. Okay, so how can I do this? Ooh, there we go. All that drama to get like a little piece. So that's the highlight. Oh, I should show you the highlighter. I don't know where I'm at today. I think I'm on cloud 9. I'm not cloud 9. Planet X. Now that's what that looks like. Is that focusing? Yeah. And then that's the back. And yes, there's a typo. I'm such a grammar freak. And ooh, this is nice. Oh, let me get some more. This is nice. This is also color shifting. It's got like yellow pigment in it, or gold. It's like really nice. Okay, I think I got enough. I'm doing a bad job, sorry. Let's see this yellow right here, this highlight. It's actually really nice, except I can't. Let me just take this off. Take all of that off. Okay, now I think I got it. There we go. There you go, there's the yellow. See that? Even that pink, look at that. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see the little monitor thing. So that's the highlighter. What did I say the highlighter was worth? $12. $9. It's $21, I think, right? And then we have the Metal AF Metallic Stay On Lip Gloss, cruelty free. And that's what the package, I love the packaging. And that's color fade to black. Oh, so that, I guess that's their thing. Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. Oh, I got, what did I get all over myself? This is nice. So Metal AF. I hope to one day get monetized, so I gotta really curb my swearing. Oh, this is nice. I want to try to wear this. Look at that. I wonder, can I wear this on my eyes? Because this is really pretty. And I want to do a look with this color. Again, I will link all the information. I mean, $17 for this box is not bad at all. And I guess since I live in the same city that they package it, I will get this box like super quick, depending on the mail, because the mail, you know, will jag-offs. And then we also, so the, I don't know where I'm at today. I apologize. I'm all over the place today. So the Metal AF Fade to Black is $11. So yeah, $44 value for this box. And then this is Witch Lash Mascara in Electric Blue. I can't wait to use it. Look at that. Look at that packaging. Isn't that cool? And then it says Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash Cruelty Free Mascara. Okay, so it's not see-through packaging, so that's, I love this. I think I'm going to continue this. That should be really pretty. It is. And speaking of which, I didn't put mascara on this bottom one. No, I didn't. Look at that. I like the brush. That is so pretty. Actually, I'm going to grab some from right here. This would make a really good eyeliner too. So I grabbed a little bit from the side so you can see the color, which is this blue right here. That is so pretty. I didn't. You know what? I'm going to use this on my bottom lash because I don't think I put any on this one. We could do blue, right? On my look. Why not? Am I blinding you all? Because it's double-sided mirror. Ooh, this is nice. I'm going to go ahead and add it to this black one. Ooh, I like this. I don't know if you could tell. Oh, I just messed it up. Ooh, am I blinding you? Oh, I like that. Did you tell the eyelash? My little wonky eyelash. I put blue on the bottom. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. Look at that. Can you see it? That's actually really pretty. I like this. Oh, I can't wait to play with this one. So that's everything. That's everything in this box. I liked everything that came in here. I will play with the colors. It's really nice. Next month is August, and it says subscribers will get some additional stuff in their boxes. I hope that includes the stuff that we get in Amazon. Because you just never know, right? So again, let's recap. We got the Hot Love. Oh, we got the Hot Love eyeshadow, Glam Rock eyeshadow. That was that pinky color. Then we have the Moonlight highlighter, which is, what color did it, the little paper say? It just says Moonlight highlighter. It's really pretty though. That's that one. And then we got I got the Witch Lash in this beautiful electric blue color. I like the packaging, it's kind of cute. And then we also got the Metal AF Metallic Stay On Lip Gloss. Oh, you know what? Look at that. This is the lip gloss, this metal one, and look, it's transfer proof. That's nice. So it'll stay on your lips. Now I can't wait to try it on my lips so that I know what it feels like, you know, if it's drying or anything. And this is, I like their packaging. See their little guitar. Like I said, I was watching Sherry Hellcat. I will link her down below. I am new to following her. And she had a bunch of Medusa makeup. That's really pretty. I can't wait to try this. It's actually something different. Like the purple lipstick I have on today. I have Jeffree Star's Bullet. The purple one. What is this called? Popsicle Dream. And then I topped it with Fenty Beauty Ready to Mingle. And then I used BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette for my eyes and Allure eyelashes. But let me know what you think of this box. I think I'm going to get a few more of these boxes. I'll probably postpone one of my Ipsy bags or maybe my Allure bag and then just get this one. This is actually nice if you want to build up your makeup collection. They didn't overprice everything. They didn't say we're going to get $100 worth of product for $16.95. They said you'll get $44, which is good. And it's good makeup. It's vegan. It's cruelty free. So, you know, and it's made in my good old town Chicago. So thank you for hanging out with me. Let me know what you think of this box. If it's something you would get, you'd try, I will link the Amazon link down below. Like I said, I don't get anything posting it. I don't get any, it's not sponsored. I don't get anything in return. Not even a point. Which is, it's okay. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and so you're notified of all my future releases. And that's all I have for you today. So thanks for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Once again, hasta laterz.